shining bright. Grethel, it's your special night. Dreams are blooming, stars aligned. The world is yours, the future's fine. You've come so far through every year. Now's the moment, loud and clear. A brand new chapter, a brighter start, with love and laughter in your heart. Happy 18th, Grethel dear. A milestone day we celebrate here. Dance through life, reach for the sky. Spread your wings, it's time to fly. Friends and family gather near, sharing joy, the love sincere. Every wish we send.
Good evening everyone. So welcome sa 18th birthday celebration ng anak ko na si Grethel. I want to take this moment to thank everyone na nagpunta dito and nag-effort na pumiyahe dito sa Cavite para makasama namin to this special occasion.
Happy 18th, Grethel dear, a milestone day we celebrate here. Dance through life, reach for the sky. Spread your wings, it's time to fly. Fly. Oh, 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 oh. To fly. Oh, oh, oh. And to fly. Take the memories, hold them tight. Guide you through the darkest night. A woman now, so brave and true. The world is waiting just for you. Happy 18th, Grethel dear. Your shining moment has come near. Love and laughter, Grethel.
Yung 18, that's the best years, I swear. Personal talaga to kasi sinabi ng mama birthday gusto mo.
Naisip ko to para sa'yo kasi alam kong babagay sa'yo to.
It's just always to be yourself. We will find time to make time for each other again. Wishing you happiness and success in everything you do. She's one of the important people in my life.
Sana pagpatuloy mong ma-receive yung kindness na binibigay mo sa lahat. Never lose yourself for anyone or for anything. I hope mas maging matibay ka pa sa kung ano ka ngayon at sa kinabukasan na haharapin mo, kagaya ng mama mo.
Sana po maging successful po siya.
Anytime pwede kang pumunta sa bahay, welcome ka. Stay happy and stay pretty. And good luck din sa journey mo.
Happy birthday, ate.
Alright.
Wish ko po is yung journey niyo po is mas maging masaya and stay pretty po.
Dahil daw sa maganda si Grethel na pinsan niya, nababagay daw sa kanya iririgalo niya.
Magagamit mo siya araw-araw tuwing lalabas ka.
Mahal ka namin.
Palakpakan din naman.
Happy 18th birthday,
I'm so proud of her na nakita ko siyang maayos.
Importante na ma-cherish mo yung memories. Kita ko Diyos.
I love you. Enjoy mo lang yung sa teenage. Enjoy mo lang ngayon.
Okay, just continue being a good daughter and good ate to your siblings.
So happy birthday, Grethel.
Alright.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo.
Become a good example to your siblings.
Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting anak. Just like what your mama is to me, I'm always here for you.
We believe in you. Enjoy your life. Yun lang, be positive.
Happy 18th birthday, Grethel!
Dahil sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo, happy birthday.
We are glad to witness you blossom into the young woman, young beautiful woman you are.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging responsible ka. At sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad mo, magdasal ka lang palagi. Enjoy mo lang yung college life mo. Makinig ka sa mga magulang. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, take care palagi. I want you to go deeper with God. ang gusto sa kanya, mag-aral lang siyang mabuti.
Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Gusto lang naman sa'yo ay good health lagi. Priority mo lagi yung health mo. You are responsible from today onwards on your own safety, on your own happiness, and your own choices.
Maging masaya ka sa buhay. Magdasal ka lang sa Panginoon. Andito lang ako, anak ha.
Really proud of the woman you have become now.
Wish ko lang talaga sa kanya is makatapos siya ng mag-aaral para someday maging stable siya. Happy 18th birthday, Brendan!
The love sincere, every wish we send your way, for endless blessings every day. Your journey's just begun tonight.
Yun nga, yung wish ko kanina sa kanya, makatapos siya pa ng pag-aaral. Para someday, kaya niya yung sarili niya. Kasi, lagi mo isipin, anak, na kapag hindi mo natapos yung pag-aaral. So, yun naman lagi ko wish sa'yo, di ba? Kasi ang hirap ng buhay. So, yun, happy birthday. Palakpakan niya naman formal.
Wish ko lang lagi nga, pag-ibalik ka. Hanggang sa makakatanda ko, takot sa Diyos, pag lagi, dirito lang ako lahat. Lahat. Buong pamilya. Lahat. Pamilya ni Ma'am, pamilya kayo. Anak na lang ito.
Ulitin ko lang na nagpapasalamat ako sa pumunta sa malayo, sa malapit. Ayun nga, sa umati kayo sa pumasok. Maraming salamat po kasi napili niyo yung gabing to para i-spend birthday ko. Maraming salamat po.